What's something someone told you while drunk you wished they hadn't? An older buddy of mine told me he and all his friends had run to enlist after 9/11s, and that he'd pressured them all to do it. He ended up being turned away over a medical issue, while they all went over to Afghanistan and died. That's why he had changed from a fit, clean-cut kid into the overweight, melancholy alcoholic he was. We were out at a playground late at night, and I'll never forget it. I made the mistake of telling him it wasn't his fault, and he picked me up by my collar and gave me a look of such rage that I thought he'd deck me for sure. Then he sagged and let me go. I guess some weights are as hard to put down as they are to bear. He made me swear never to tell, and I haven't. He was one of my hometown's favorite people, someone who was warm and kind to his very center, and he was truly beloved despite his addiction. He died a couple years back in a car crash while drunk, on his way home from playing Santa for the kids.